In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the notification feature in the Find My app. This feature is incredibly handy for staying aware of the whereabouts of your friends, family, or even your devices. Whether you're new to Find My or looking to expand your understanding of its features, I'm here to guide you each step of the way. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Find My app on your iPhone. You've probably noticed the icon on your home screen that looks like a green radar. Give that a tap and we're ready to explore further. Once the app opens, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a couple of tabs labeled People and Devices. Now, this is crucial. Decide what you want to receive notifications for. If it's about a person, tap on the People tab. If you're focusing on keeping tabs on a device, you'll want the Devices tab. It's as simple as that. Once you're in the right section, scroll through the list and select the person or device you want to get notification updates for. This might be your child, partner, or even just your handy iPad that tends to play hide and seek. Once you've made your selection, look for the option to add notifications. You'll find it right there, labeled as Add Under Notifications. Give that a tap and move on to the next exciting step. Now comes the part where you choose the conditions for your notifications. You're going to decide whether you want to be notified when that person or device leaves a location or when they arrive somewhere. It's entirely up to you and what makes sense for your situation. Maybe you want to get a heads up whenever your child arrives at school or leaves a friend's house. It's all about customizing it to fit your needs. Next, set the location for your notification. This could be any place, your home, office, or any spot you find relevant. You also have the flexibility to adjust the radius. Maybe you only want to know when they get super close to a location or prefer a wider range. This feature allows for precise tailoring to ensure you get just the right alerts. Finally, once you've set everything to your satisfaction, the last step is to save it all. Tap the Add button to confirm your notification settings. Now, every time the conditions you set are met, you'll get a handy notification right on your phone. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to use the notification feature in the Find My app, making sure you're always aware and informed about your loved ones and devices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep exploring all the features your iPhone has to offer.